Hi friends, this is Pujita and welcome to my YouTube channel Jobs Adda by Pujita. Friends, if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on bell icon for more latest job updates which are posted by me friends. So my suggestion, please watch the entire video, don't skip any of the video friends. So by chance if you skip the video, you are going to miss some of the main important points which are posted by me friends. So in this video I'm going to post about one of the best company in India. So if you can see on the screen, the company name is Accenture friends. So they have released one of the 100 plus job vacancies for both BPO and as well as IT friends. So this is the official website of Accenture. So in this video I wanted to tell you how to apply for the job and as well as what are the jobs available in this company I'm going to share you, and as well as apply how to apply as and refer your friends I'm going to share you. So if you can see here, you can insight services industries careers and about Essential you can find out here, right? So if you click on careers option, you will be redirecting, you will be finding the different tabs like joiners, search and apply, experience, professional, entry level jobs, students, training and development, work environment. In the different tab, if you can find like explore jobs, consulting jobs, corporate jobs, digital jobs, operational jobs, strategy, technology. So right now if you are looking for any of the entry level jobs, you can click on entry level jobs, or if you want any if you are an experience and if you want to check on the any experience job profiles, you can click on experience professionals. So right now I'm going to share you first about the entry level jobs. After clicking on entry level jobs, I'll be redirecting to a different page. I will show you what are the details will be available over here. So if you can see here, entry level professionals, like begin your career with an with us and discover your talents and skills and help the change the world. So this is the main thing you can find over here. So here is the, if you scroll down, you can find here entry level jobs. So you can find here India, Chennai in this and the job role is analyst foreign language. So there this is into BPS, means business process specialization. They are looking for foreign language any of the analyst, and the work locations will be in India and Chennai. So if you click on read more option, you will be getting more options. So if you can find more over here, foreign language, a quality analysis, digital banking business and integration practitioner, learning visual designer and reporting. These are the job vacancies for the entry level, means for the freshers they are hiring for actually. So if you click on read more option, you will be getting more details about this job friends. So I have clicked on that option, so you can find here the all the details clearly. This is the analyst job foreign language. This is the job description. You can here you can find job number and the location as Chennai. So coming over here, the job description you can find, and they have mentioned the skills required for this job is foreign language, Russian language they are looking for, and the designation they will be giving is management level analyst position they will be giving for you. Job location will be in Chennai, and qualifications they are looking for is BCom, chartered accountant, cost and works accountant, CA inter or CS inter. So these are the designation, qualifications they are looking for, and years of experience is 3 to 5 years of experience they are looking. So here they have mentioned about essential operations. So here they will be providing all the details about the company, and here if you can find what would I do, what would you do, means in the job profile what are the details you are going to, you what's your exact job description you are going to do. If you can see clearly, you are You will be aligned with our business process delivery and help us supervise the day-to-day operational and administrative activities, ensuring all processes are followed, execute and deadlines are met. So you will be part of foreign language team member which will help translate documents to clients across industries such as telecom, media, entertainment, banking and insurance. So you should be very proficient in foreign languages and use translation tools to meet the client's needs. So you should also have at least B1 or B2 certification from a recognized institution. The Russian language team aids in translating process documents, reports and presentation from Russian to English and vice versa as required. The team is responsible for processing, responsible for claiming missing documents from contractors, provide and coordinating with support centers for subcontractor documentation indexing. So actually you have to be very good in Russian language. So vice versa you can translate from Russian language to English as well as English to Russian. You have to be very good knowledge you have to have. So what are we looking for? They are looking for individuals who have the following, like written and verbal communication has to be very good, guys. So it would be a value if you have a in profession in Russian language. So you should be very good in Russian language. So in roles and responsibilities, you can find all the details over here. In the qualifications like BCom, BS, Chartered Accountant, already I have mentioned before. So qualifications are there, and important notice they have mentioned that you should be we have been alert to the existence of fraudulent messages, like some people will be getting they will be sending messages and if you pay the money we will be giving you a job. Don't follow all those details. So company don't charge any of the money from the employee or from the employee, so don't pay any of the money. So if you click on apply now option, you can apply for the job. So I'm going to show you how to apply for the job also. It's a very simple process, friends. So after clicking on apply now option, you'll be asking for you'll be redirected to a new page which an sign in with email ID and password. So after entering your details, you have to enter your email ID and as well as password, and click on sign in. So I have clicked on sign in and it has been redirected to a new page, friends. So if you can find here, you got an like terms and conditions. So you have to accept the terms and conditions they have mentioned, like essential. So if you click on this, you can be yes, you have to click. After you will be finding the options like upload your CV. You can browse it and upload by the CV, and you can enter your basic details and advanced details, and you will be asking for submit option. After clicking submit, you will be getting a mail ID to your mail that we have received your request for job application. So once your profile has been shortlisted, we are going to mention you, or we are going to select you or arrange your the interview. All details you will be getting over here. So going back to the different job details, we can find I have gone back to the different page. So I have mentioned you all the job vacancies over here, right? So now going back to the experienced professional. So going back again to the careers tab, I have clicked and clicking on the option experienced professionals. So after clicking on this, I have been redirected again to the new page. Here you can find careers for experienced professionals. So I'm scrolling down the tab, so you can find here different careers like strategy, consulting, digital, technology, operational, security careers. And also they have mentioned meet on your our people. They have mentioned their department people they have mentioned. So right now if you wanted to check any of the details, I am clicking on like technology careers. So I'm clicking on technology careers, and I will be showing you what are the details available, what are the jobs available over here. So it has been redirected to a new tab. So they have mentioned what work you will do. So you can find here all the jobs available. A blockchain it was into. Search technology jobs, you can click over here. So I have clicked on that, and I have been redirected to a new page. So you can find here technology. All jobs they have posted is 8508 jobs are available. So friends, don't miss this opportunity. Check this page, and if you find any of the job opening which is suitable for you, please don't neglect it, friends. So right now the situation is also not good. So just enter into any of the company whichever mentioned, and gain a good knowledge, and gain a good salary, good package. So you can find here all the jobs. So you can find here business technology, business and integration practitioner, business technology application developer, so leadership research specialist, no technology specialization, workplace technology, cloud technology, business technology product owner. So you can find here 945 pages are there per so as I mentioned here, 8508 jobs were released by the Accenture company. Apply for this, guys. All the best. If anybody is looking for a job, please forward to them also. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my video. All the best.